It's good? Okay, hold on. Alright, welcome back to another episode of Sliced. Today, I am your host, Jamin Patel. It is a pleasure to be with all of you. For those of you who don't know what Sliced is, we basically make food with competitors. And today, we have 3 competitors that I will introduce. Soy sauce really does some things with Coke. Anyways, to start off, our first contender, Chef Cutnock. Our second contender, Chef Bennett. And then last but not least, Chef Hook. Woo! Okay, to start off, let's see what Chef Cutnock has in store for us.
Alright, so first things first.
First things first, I'm the real.
So today, I'll be making baked zucchini.
Ooh.
First,
we will preheat the oven to 350 degrees and then we'll take our 2 zucchinis and start peeling and slicing them. Then we'll place it on our pan. We will use 1 shot of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and then we'll place it in the oven for 10 minutes. The secret to making the best baked zucchini is convection. Convection is a type of heat transfer due to energy exchange between a surface and adjacent fluid. Here we'll be using forced convection using a fan. This allows the air pockets to move from a higher temperature to a lower temperature, creating a current within the system. Here we have Newton's law of cooling, where Q is the rate of convective heat transfer, A is the area normal to the direction of heat flow, delta T is the temperature gradient between the surface and the fluid, and H is the convective heat transfer coefficient. And that's how you make baked zucchini.
so today I'm going to be making scrambled eggs. So first, we're going to start with the eggs. Alright, and then you really just want to get enough air into these. I saw this on Gordon Ramsay's show. I don't know what else to say. Alright, now that those are really scrambled, we're going to take some canola oil and we're going to put that on there and put that on a heat that will cook the eggs. Alright, and while that's cooking, we can talk about the conduction that deals with this.
So this equation is Fourier's rate equation. In this equation, Q represents the heat transfer rate divided by A, which is the area normal to the direction of heat flow. And all of that equals the thermal conductivity multiplied by the temperature gradient. It is important to note that K, the thermal conductivity, is a function of temperature.
See, the temperature gradient really allows for the scrambled eggs to really cook, so you aren't eating raw eggs. Scrambled eggs.
I'm Chef Hook, and today I'm using radiation to cook popcorn. So what you're going to do is keep the kernels in the bag, put it in the microwave, and set it to 2 minutes. My mode of cooking, radiation, uses electromagnetic waves. This differs from conduction and convection in that no medium is required for its propagation. There is no direct contact between the food and the heat source. You can't see the waves with the human eye, but these waves are absorbed by the food quickly and cause water molecules in the food to vibrate, producing heat that cooks the food. The rate of energy emission from a perfect radiator or black body is given by the Stefan-Boltzmann equation, where Q is the rate of radiant energy emission, A is the area of the emitting surface, T is the absolute temperature, and sigma is a Stefan-Boltzmann constant. This is similar to Fourier's law and Newton's law, but is not directly analogous. And then, take it out, and voila, ready to be served.
So, all of our chefs have created our beautiful entrees, and I will taste test each one to determine which form of heat transfer is the best. To start off, we will do convection. The salt content mixed with the conductive heat transfer really makes the eggs taste amazing. I give props to Chef Bennett for that. On to the radiation. The radiation just straight up the nostrils. Ooh, just fantastic. We're gonna try these out now. The flavor with the radiation infused in the popcorn, and forget about butter. We need some soy sauce in this. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I love soy sauce. Perfect. Oh my god, beautiful. Anyways, on to convection. Might as well add soy sauce to everything, right? Oh, yes, perfect. Douse that in there. The convection in this, amazing. The cucumber, fantastic. Anyways, the best one out of these 3, I would have to say, is